The company UDEN Ukraine is a manufacturer of modern electric energy-saving heaters under the UDEN-S brand. For about 20 years, we have been selling our own products in Ukraine and the countries of the European Union. During the existence of the company, we've gone through completely various periods, revolutions, quarantine, war. But in spite of everything, we kept moving in the right direction, ramping up production and methodically improving the quality of our output. The advantage of our factory is the constant warehouse stock, production planning, and quality product.
The UDEN-S brand has two main production lines, metal, ceramic, and porcelain stoneware heaters, which differ in manufacturing technology and appearance, but are united by a common idea, a unique heat accumulator that contains a heating element which is known for its high efficiency and durability. These heaters are designed to provide consistent and reliable heating performance. The production is aimed at releasing an environmentally friendly product. All components are completely natural, free of harmful impurities, as confirmed by European quality certificates and the conclusion of the Ministry of Health. During the production process, raw materials such as those of Ukrainian and European origin are used.
Our heaters are a modern Ukrainian product whose main advantages are quality, reliability, efficiency, ease of use, and fantastic style. The active implementation of energy-efficient systems is the most important component of our future. The implementation of measures aimed at significantly reducing electricity consumption by users prompted our company to manufacture energy-efficient UDEN-S heaters for primary and supplementary heating, effectively addressing energy needs. UDEN-S is currently in very high demand, so we constantly maintain an inventory to ensure uninterrupted and timely deliveries for our customers and partners. The company's capacity is the production of approximately 5,000 heaters each month. On average, we produce up to 60,000 panels per year from our entire product range. We are focused on developing and expanding our partner network. We are going to work on it to provide heating to people all over the world. We have something to be proud of. Our devices are used practically all over the world. UDEN-S heaters warm houses in 20 countries across 3 continents.
People frequently wonder how the business has accomplished. Attention to details is vital for us. We understand what every customer needs and give even more. We broke the stereotype that a heater is all about heat. Our designers integrate each client's preference into any interior.
Each heater design is crafted by the team of artists by hand. Brushes, paints, plot development. We research trends and develop innovative drawings that we carefully, thoroughly, and meticulously apply to our product. Clients often request unique designs. These can differ significantly from portraits to favorite landscapes or paintings.
Satisfied customers in Ukraine and abroad is our mission.
UDEN Ukraine is always open to cooperation with distributors, project and installation organizations, construction companies, and online stores.
Our clients are united by warmth and beauty. That is why it is the slogan of the UDEN-S brand.